How to deposit checks using US Bank mobile check deposit. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. So to deposit a check with US Mobile Bank, you just need to open the Pay and Transfer section. So basically what you need is you need to have US Mobile Banking app on your device first thing, and you must be connected to an internet service as well. Now then open a US Mobile Banking app and log in. And from the very first or the home page, you will be able to find this transfer and pay button. Simply click onto it. Next, moving on, you want to click on to deposit section or deposit a check section. Now then you have to select your account, enter the amount, and then sign the back of the check. So basically what you need is here, you need a proper lighting and then a check with a sign on both the back and the front of the check. Once you do that, you have to take a picture and make sure that the picture is clear. And while depositing a check online, you must also write only deposited through mobile banking or something familiar options as well. Once you've written the following statement and taken the picture, then you just click on to the sign in or just click on to the submit button, and if the photo is clear, your check should be accepted. And that's how you'll be able to deposit check using US Bank mobile app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.